just wanted to touch my arm. Physical contact, check.
Yeah, alright, you got me.
Oh, I can't believe you still use your Seduction 101 story.
Well, of course I use it. That's why they had us create them, to be used. Yeah, physical contact, personal details. That shit works. What? So you don't use your story?
No,
Really?
I don't need to.
Oh, right.
It was awesome though, my story. It was so good that Winthrop used it the next semester as an example, and I'll get this. And then some girl tried to use it on me at a Harriet Jet party.
What, your own story?
Yeah.
Back to you. Well, that's ridiculous. Who would use a 101 story at a tradecraft party?
You're right, I mean, to other agents?
Yeah.
How dumb would you have to be?
What was his story then?
I don't remember.
Oh, because it was that amazing. You've just completely forgotten all about it.
Alright, fine. It was about my dog when I was a kid. Rusty.
Rusty.
Yeah.
The best you had was Rusty.
Yes. Rusty. He was a blue heeler. He was the best.
Why do you think that I came here?
Because you need the documents to get out.
Okay. But why did I come here? An isolated agent. In the middle of the night.
Right.
I'm going to make this very, very simple for you. Okay? Get the documents.
Idia. Irina.
Господи, я думала, що то ніколи приросла.
Irina. Это Oleg.
Oleg! Я ее мюз. Рад знакомству.
Олег, очень приятно. Саня, я скоро прекратила, забывала с мужа Наташу.
В 3 часа ночи.
Что?
Ти час находишь пруда в 3 часа ночи. Нино сюда ела мюза.
Oleg работает в пиццерии, он сделал мне сюрприз. И приехал сегодня вечером, как я была на викторине.
Как романтично. Что, пожалуй, я ставлю?
Да.
Ваше наше вкусно.
Нет! Останься, пожалуйста! Сперва Наташа Нини друзьями. Садись! Садись! Сперва Наташа Нини бивает такой стритной.
Думаю, нам стоит
Та. Таша. Принеси бренди из моей сумки. Видолски не нонает ни минут.
Oleg, можно тебя на минутку?
Ладно, менжера, уталабация.
My husband? Why would you say you're my husband?
I'm sorry, I screwed up your nightcap.
You completely fucked my cover story.
Did I? Oh, well, look, if you give me the documents, I can get out of your hair. No? Okay, well then you're just going to have to excuse me, because I've got to go and get to know one of my wife's friends.